Hey, what is up, guys? Wait, something's not right here. Here we go. Anyways, this is gonna be a giveaway video, guys, for this fingerprint Bluetooth lock. I figured let's go ahead and start the day off right. Let's go ahead and give away this. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and review, guys. All you gotta do is watch the videos to the end, like the video, and then comment down below the keyword at the end of the video, and then we will give this away. It'll take about a week for me to actually find a winner, and I'll actually get the winner live, so there's no fishy business, and I'll send this product out, and we'll do maybe one or two giveaways a month. You know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and get some hype on the channel. So yeah, go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoy the content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech family, and comment down below what you think about this video or any other video. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Alrighty, guys, and here is the NOKELOCK right here. So big shout out right here to Kameida that actually sent me this lock. So it's a fingerprint padlock, real easy, guys. The app is your key. I actually have my Blade X Max right here. Bring that into scene. And it actually has the application right there being installed at the moment, and it's actually installed right there. So I'm going to show you guys that in just a second. I do want to take a second to see the instructions here. The instructions are really well laid out, as you can see. Like, they're not in Chinese, they're not tiny. You can actually see this. So product link will be in the description below, as I said. So, and also, guys, just go ahead and watch to the end, and I will give that secret code for you guys to leave in the description in the comment, so you can actually win this thing. So it says what's in the box: padlock manual, QR code, USB charging cable. So yeah, pretty easy stuff, guys. You install the app right here, then you set up an account, you do a QR code, you add the lock, Bluetooth unlock, fingerprint unlock. I mean, this is great for kids. This is great for adults that go to the gym, that need a lock on their stuff. So yeah, pretty easy, pretty simple. You got a warranty card here. So yeah, they're very responsive as well for customer service and all that stuff like that. So I've talked to them a few times. Pretty simple stuff, guys. This is your lock right there, and as soon as you press the thing right there, that's how you actually get it to pair up with your stuff. So whether you just bought this lock and you need a little bit of instructions on how to do this thing, or you're here for the giveaway, or here just to support the channel, either way, guys, fingerprint lock is pretty cool, man. They give you a little charging cable right here. No need to charge this thing for a long time. It's just a little tiny battery in there. QR code right there for the actual lock itself. So if you're having trouble finding the lock, you can just literally just go in there. So let's go ahead and dive right into the app real quick. So like I said, this thing's pretty easy. It's called a NOKELOCK right there. I thought I was going to have issues and problems. No. Pretty simple stuff, guys. Let me show you here. Scan to Smart Lock Management Toolbox, Discovery, Friends Updates, and Start to Use right there. And let me go ahead and put this information in real quick. Alrighty, guys, and this is what the application actually looks like right here. Real easy. All you gotta do is pair this thing up, and it will unlock your locker. And all you gotta do is put your fingerprint on it, and boom. So pretty easy to set up, guys. Not too hard, not too difficult. Once you get the hang of it, real easy. And this thing has a charge of 100% or whatever. This thing will last you weeks and weeks and weeks on end. I've already had it for like about a week or two, and it's only gone down a couple percent because it's just a lock that's on standby on Bluetooth. So yeah, guys, if you love the product, go ahead and leave a like on the video as usual, and go ahead and hit hashtag NOKELOCK for the comment to actually win. Say, I want to win NOKELOCK. N-O-K-E lock, L-O-C-K. So hopefully we'll have a winner. We'll actually do that live on stream. Maybe CV Tech will be in there, or Mill Hustles will be in there as we do that. So it will be pretty awesome. And yeah, so more giveaways to come to the channel. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Like I said, this is, you know, great for kids, great for students, great for adults that go, you know, they're going to go to, you know, to wherever the case may be, school, the gym, just to get some privacy or whatever, and not to carry around a lot of keys. They just have their phone and their lock on them. Anyways, it's been John from Magic Tech Review, and I will see you guys in the next one, and good luck on that giveaway. Bye bye now. What is up, guys? John from Magic. Wait a second. Hold on.